Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How are you all? This is your science session of grade 2. Today we are going to complete the question answers of the lesson The Seasons. Okay. Now all of you open your notebooks. Okay. Uh Write today's date, that is 14 January 2021. Question number 1 till 3rd we did on a Tuesday. Today we are going to continue the lesson. Continue the question answer. Question number 4, if you have space there you can write it from there. If you don't have space, write it from the new page, but you have to write today's date. Okay. If you have space from there, just write today's date and start question number 4, and if you don't have space, write it from the new page and write today's date. Okay, that is 14 January 2021. Okay, question number 4, which months of the year are usually the hottest? April till June are usually the hottest month of the year. Okay, which months of the year are usually the hottest? April till June are usually the hottest month. Question number 5, when do we wear woolen clothes? When do we wear? We wear woolen clothes in winter. Okay. Question number 6, draw different seasons. So write question number 6 on lines after question number 5, and you have to draw different season on interleaf page. It's your homework. This question number 6 is your homework. You have to draw different seasons on interleaf page. But you have to write the question as well. Okay. Please write it by yourself, draw it by yourself. Okay. Give one finger space, write it on the lines, write neatly. After this, today I'm going to start the new lesson, that's chapter number 11, the sun, the earth, sun, moon and stars. Okay. Now, open your books. We start the new lesson, the sun, earth, the earth, sun, moon and stars on page 107. Okay. Now, first of all, you're going to tell me, have you watched the sky during the day or night? If yes, then what you see in daytime and what you see in nighttime? In daytime, you see the sun, and at night, you see stars and moon. Okay. What is our earth made up of? The topic is, what is our earth made up of? Earth. Our earth is made up of land and water. It looks like a blue marble because it has more water than land. Earth is a planet and it travels in a definite path called an orbit around the sun. Now see. This is land. Is a planet. Okay. This is an earth. Okay. Earth is divided into four portions. Four portions. Okay. Water, water, water and land. Okay. So it's like a circle, like a ball. Okay, it's divided into four portions. So 3/4 is the part of land is water, of earth is water, and 1/4 is land. Okay. Now this is that it's look like a blue marble because it has more water than the land. The earth is look like a blue marble. Why? Because it has more water. See, three-fourth is water and only 1/4 is land. That's why the earth look like a marble. It's like a blue marble. Okay. Now they say the earth is a planet. You all know that in solar system we have 8 planets, and the earth is the third one. Okay. Only earth has life, and it travels in a definite path called an orbit around the sun. See, this is sun. Okay. In the surrounding of the sun, there are planets. Okay. Mercury, Venus, Earth. Okay. Earth moves around the sun. Sun stays there. Only Earth moves around the sun, rotates around the sun. Okay. Is this rotation? This is called, the movement is called rotation, and on which the Earth moves, it's called an orbit. Okay, it's not moving like this. No, it's moved like this, straight. It's moved straightly. Okay, rotate slowly, slowly, and its rotation completes in 1 year. 1 year has 365 days. 365 days, and on which the earth is rotated, it's called an orbit. What is called? It's called an orbit. Okay, the rotation is the round in on which the earth rotates, it's called orbit. Okay, and it's take 1 year, means 365 days to complete its round. Okay, now move on. Okay, landforms. The earth has different landforms such as forest, desert, hills, mountains, and valleys. Forests cover large area of earth. Okay, earth has different types of land. Some has forest, somewhere is desert, somewhere mountains, valleys. Okay, so a large area of earth covered with forest. A forest is a large area covered by thick growth of trees and bushes. See what you have, what we have in forest. A forest is a large area covered by thick growth of trees and bushes. Okay, desert. A desert is an area of very dry land that is usually covered with sand and is very hot with hardly any or no rainfall. What is desert? Desert is a dry land, okay, and it's covered with sand and it's very hot, and it's hardly any or rainfall. There is no rainfall that in our homes that we open the tap and we get water. No, in desert you have to go very far or you to get water. A hill is usually a rounded area of high land which is higher than a surrounding land, but not as high as a mountain. What is a hill? Hill is rounded area. It's usually uh, high from the surrounding land. Have you ever visited to Hill Park? If you visit to Hill Park, just see that it is little bit high from the surrounding land. It's high, so it's not very high like a mountain. It's little bit high. It's high. It's low. Okay, and it has greenery. Greenery. A mountain is an area of land that rises very high above the surrounding land and is much higher than a hill. What is a mountain? Mountains are very high. It's very high above the surrounding and it's very high with the it's higher than the hill. Hills are smaller than mountains, and mountains are very high. Okay, a valley is an area of low land between hills and mountain. See the picture. These are the the space in the middle is called valley. In Urdu it's called wadi. In English it's called valley. Okay, is a low land between hills and mountain. The area is between mountains and hills, and here the people live here. It's called valley. In Urdu, it's called wadi, as I told you, and in English, it's called valley. Okay. So for today, what we learn about earth and landforms. Okay. Inshallah, we continue this chapter in the next class. For today, till here, Allah Hafiz.